Achieving perfect beach waves without the hassle of saltwater and sun exposure is possible with the right wave spray. Whether you want to add texture, volume, or enhance your natural waves, a great wave spray can give your hair that effortless, windswept look. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best wave sprays that provide just the right amount of texture and shine. Let's dive into the details of these amazing products and help you find the perfect one for your hair. Kicking off our list at number 1, Moroccanoil Beach Wave Mousse. The Moroccanoil Beach Wave Mousse is a lightweight styling mousse designed to create tousled, natural-looking waves with a matte finish. It provides the perfect balance between texture and volume without leaving hair feeling sticky or crunchy. Enriched with nourishing argan oil, this mousse delivers a beachy look while keeping your hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Key features: this mousse is formulated with a blend of argan oil and other natural ingredients that hydrate and protect the hair while adding texture. It also includes UV protection, making it ideal for those who spend time outdoors. The lightweight mousse provides a natural, non-crunchy hold that doesn't weigh down your hair, leaving it soft and full of movement. Benefits and usage: the Moroccanoil Beach Wave Mousse enhances natural texture, boosts volume, and defines waves without causing stiffness. To use, shake the can well and apply the mousse to damp hair, scrunching it with your hands to encourage wave formation. You can either air dry or diffuse for faster styling. The mousse provides long-lasting volume and a flexible finish for a casual, beach-inspired look. Usability: this product works best for those with fine to medium hair types looking for volume and texture. Its lightweight formula ensures that even thick hair can benefit from added body and waves. It's also easy to apply and doesn't leave behind any residue, making it great for those who want a fuss-free styling routine. Durability: the Moroccanoil Beach Wave Mousse comes in a 6.8-ounce can, which is more than enough for several uses. Since only a small amount is needed to create beachy waves, it's a good value for the price. The mousse holds its shape throughout the day, offering long-lasting texture and volume without requiring frequent reapplications. In the second spot, we have Verb Sea Spray. Verb Sea Spray is a sea salt spray designed to add instant texture and volume to your hair, giving it that effortless beachy vibe. This lightweight spray is infused with a blend of sea salt and aloe vera, helping to create natural, tousled waves with a subtle matte finish. It's perfect for those who want beach waves without the sticky or greasy feeling that some salt sprays can leave behind. Key features: Verb Sea Spray is enriched with natural sea salt, aloe vera, and other hydrating ingredients that provide both texture and moisture to the hair. The formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and gluten, making it a safe option for all hair types, including color-treated hair. It's also cruelty-free, which is a bonus for those looking for ethical products. Benefits and usage: this sea salt spray enhances natural wave patterns, providing volume and a beachy, tousled look. To use, spray evenly on damp hair, scrunching with your hands for definition. For added texture, blow dry with a diffuser or let your hair air dry. The result is soft, textured waves with a matte finish and a refreshing beachy scent. Usability: Verb Sea Spray is easy to use and works well on all hair types, from straight to wavy or curly hair. It's especially great for people who want texture and volume without the heaviness of traditional styling creams or gels. The spray allows for buildable texture, meaning you can apply more for stronger waves or a more defined texture. Durability: the Verb Sea Spray comes in a 5.4-ounce bottle, and since you only need a few spritzes for each use, it lasts a long time. The spray doesn't make the hair feel stiff or sticky, and it provides lasting texture and volume that holds up throughout the day. The bottle is compact, making it easy to carry for on-the-go touch-ups. Coming in at number 3 is the Sea Salt Spray by Not Your Mother's. Not Your Mother's Sea Salt Spray is a budget-friendly, high-performance wave spray designed to add texture, volume, and a beachy finish to your hair. This sea salt spray is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their natural waves or create new ones without the heavy, greasy feeling that some sprays leave behind. It also helps to boost the hair's natural body and bounce, offering effortless beachy waves that last. Key features: infused with sea salt, sea kelp, and aloe vera, Not Your Mother's Sea Salt Spray offers hydration and texture. The formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. This spray is also cruelty-free, ensuring that you can feel good about your purchase while getting great results. Benefits and usage: this wave spray adds instant texture and body to the hair, creating natural-looking beach waves with a matte finish. To use, spray evenly on damp hair and scrunch to define waves. You can allow your hair to air dry or use a diffuser for a quicker drying process. The spray is ideal for adding volume to fine hair and creating beachy waves that hold all day. Usability: the spray works best on all hair types, whether you have fine, straight, or wavy hair. It's particularly useful for those with limp hair that needs a volume boost. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh hair down or leave behind any greasy residue, making it perfect for everyday styling. Durability: this 8-ounce bottle of sea salt spray by Not Your Mother's offers great value for the price, especially for those who use wave sprays regularly. You only need a small amount to create textured waves, and the spray provides lasting volume and beachy texture throughout the day. It's also travel-friendly, making it easy to carry in your bag for quick touch-ups. Taking our fourth spot is Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray. The Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray is a luxury wave spray that combines the best of both worlds, the texture and volume of a beach spray with a touch of shine. This spray offers the ultimate beachy waves with a sleek, polished finish, perfect for those who want a touch of sophistication with their natural waves. The formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients that protect and hydrate hair while adding texture. Key features: infused with Oribe's signature complex, the Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray includes watermelon, lychee, and edelweiss flower extracts that provide protection against environmental damage. The product also contains lightweight polymers that create texture and shine without weighing hair down. It is free from parabens, sulfates, and sodium chloride, making it safe for color-treated hair. Benefits and usage: this wave and shine spray creates soft, defined beach waves with a glossy finish, perfect for achieving that effortlessly chic look. To use, spray evenly on damp hair, scrunch, and either air dry or diffuse. The spray provides a lightweight, flexible hold that enhances your waves and leaves them shiny without any greasy residue. Usability: ideal for all hair types, including color-treated and fine hair, Oribe Apres Beach Spray adds volume, texture, and shine. The product is great for those who want a more polished beach look, as it leaves your hair smooth and frizz-free. Its lightweight texture means it won't weigh down hair, even with multiple applications. Durability: the Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray comes in a 5.9-ounce bottle, and while it's a luxury product, it's worth the investment due to the quality and results. A little goes a long way, making this spray last for several uses. The product holds up throughout the day, keeping your beach waves defined and shiny without needing frequent reapplications. And finally, at number 5, we have Tigi Bed Head Beach Bound Spray. The Tigi Bed Head Beach Bound Spray is a high-performance wave spray that offers a fresh, beachy look with a protective twist. This spray not only adds texture and volume, but also helps to shield your hair from UV rays and environmental damage. It's a perfect choice for those who want to create natural waves while also keeping their hair healthy and protected. Key features: the Tigi Bed Head Beach Bound Spray contains a blend of nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and UV filters, which help protect hair from sun damage while adding texture and volume. The spray's formula also includes sea salt to enhance natural wave patterns, giving your hair that effortless beach look. It's suitable for all hair types and can be used on both damp and dry hair. Benefits and usage: this spray creates beachy waves with a soft, touchable finish and offers added protection against environmental stressors. To use, spray onto damp hair and scrunch to define waves. The spray can also be used on dry hair to refresh waves or add texture. It gives hair a voluminous, tousled look that's perfect for a day at the beach or an evening out. Usability: the beach bound spray works great for all hair types, including fine and thick hair. It provides just the right amount of texture and volume without making your hair feel sticky or crunchy. The product is also lightweight, ensuring that it doesn't weigh down your hair, even after multiple applications. Durability: the Tigi Bed Head Beach Bound Spray is available in a 7.9-ounce bottle, which is plenty for regular use. The formula holds the waves in place all day, offering long-lasting texture and volume without requiring constant reapplication. It's a great value for the price, especially for those who want a reliable wave spray with added sun protection. Finding the perfect wave spray is essential for achieving beachy, textured waves without the effort. From budget-friendly options like Not Your Mother's Sea Salt Spray to luxurious choices like Oribe Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray, each of these products offers unique benefits that cater to different hair types and styling needs. Whether you want volume, texture, shine, or protection, these top 5 wave sprays will help you achieve your perfect beach waves. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on hair care products.